Hello everyone, good morning, and this is Mariang again. And for today's video guys, I just wanna show you my house tour inside. So hold on. So this is our cute sala guys. This is our cute sala. So look at our cute sala guys. And here's our puppy. So as you can see guys, there's a bamboo chair. And then there's a lot of clothes we need to fold. Just finish folding the clothes guys. And this is our door. This is our main door guys. Yes, and also our screen door. And this is our window. So this is our window guys. As you can see guys, our curtain it's mint green and white. So as you can see, so this is our cute sala, and this is our matrix guys, because if ever it's so very hot, I sleep here in our sala. So that's why I bring this our mattress. And look at our mattress guys, it's already broke now. Because it's for how many years our mattress. Yes, and this is our blanket, and also our pillow. Yes, so this is our cute sala. This is our cute sala guys. And then here beside the bamboo chair, there's our mirror, a cute mirror. So as you can see guys, a lot of things like rub alcohol, small mirror, tissue, cologne, yes, and also headband. And also guys, yeah, this is our cute sala guys. And his teddy bear, a cute teddy bear, is our puppy will play that one. Yeah, so this is our sala. This is our sala guys, as you can see. And there's a chair also. Yes, our electric fan guys still blows because of too much hot. So I put here because not totally used because it's already broke. Because it blows because of the so much hot. Yes, oh, and this is our little cage for our puppies, and also for our skull no cabinet also. So as you can see guys, I put here my bags, even plates. Well, yes, I will put this our spoon. Yes, and also a little bit plates. Yes. So here our kitchen guys. So this is our kitchen. Dirty kitchen guys. Yeah, and this is our rice. Yes, our rice, guys. 5 kilos. 5 kilos of rice. Yeah, this is our 5 kilos of rice, guys. I also put in a sack because I have no Tupperware to put our rice. So that's it. And this is our room. As you can see, guys, our room, there's our cabinet also for our dress, and here it's all for our, this is our cabinet for our Nash, and still totally broke. So as you can see, it's so the koan, it's so scattered. Yeah, because koan ka na will fall now. Lot of clothes, guys, na still a lot of clothes. And then yeah, so as you can see, guys, I'm just put this one. I cannot arrange because of our his drawer still broke, so that's why. And yes, so look at our wall, guys. I'm just already put a paint. Yes. Our color of our room is green, and this is our window, guys. Another window. So if you have kanang really want to uh just give me a new cabinet for our son, because as you can see, guys, the cabinet of ours still broke, so that's why the clothes will put like this. So I'm just finished to show you our or to show my house tour inside my house. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mariang PH Vlog, and have a good day, everyone. And I'm Pink Kanonay. Bye bye.